Jacob. So right here. Let me grab my inspection board. Yeah, it'll probably be better over here. Yeah, if you could. This one's right here. We have one over here. Okay, let me just measure everything out. Give me like a minute or two. It's kind of affected down here too. I'm not sure if you noticed that. Yeah. Yeah, because it's coming out to like, I'll polish out that little scratch for you too.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's just a minor scratch.
Right, if you do for students, do.
So, all right, that's fine.
And then
I just need to put windows down, and I can get started. Any questions or concerns before I get started?
no, you know, all these guys. You know, put your name in and stuff. No one calls me back. You're the first guy.
Oh, okay. All right.
Back, so,
Yeah, I'm that guy too. Sometimes I'll be honest, when you're busy, it's hard to kind of get back to everybody when your schedule's full. But okay. All right. All right. Thank you. Good to you, huh?
Huh?
Looks good?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, we're all done.
You done?
But yeah.
Oh, cool.
Any questions or anything?
Crazy. It'll be a rich, great review.
Thank you. I appreciate that.